Scores are now in. And the score for Excalibur is 5.866. That puts him in 5th place. Take a look at the leaderboard right now. Thunder Morris is going to be a tough score to beat with 9.691. Savaminiga and Gravedigger earns a 9.261. Just getting done. 2 follows in 3rd place right now. Brandon Telechka with an 8.576. El Toro Locos Chelsea Van Cleve earns a 7.487 and a 5.866 out of the truck you just saw. That was Excalibur's Mike Pagliarulo, along with Monster Hut Dalmatians, Logan Ash